Hey there, ready to dive into Binance P2P trading like a pro? Let's get started. First things first, create your Binance account and complete the identity verification process. It's super important to get verified to ensure your trades are secure. Once you're logged in, head over to the Trade tab and select P2P. Here you'll find listings from verified buyers and sellers offering various cryptocurrencies. Take your time to browse through the offers. You can filter these offers based on price, payment method, and transaction limits. Want the best deal? Use the filters to find the perfect trade that matches your needs. Found a good offer? Great. Click Buy if you want to purchase crypto or sell to offload some. Enter the amount you want to trade and follow the on-screen instructions. It's as simple as that. Make sure you transfer the funds using the chosen payment method. After confirming the payment, the crypto will be released from the seller's escrow into your account. And voila! A few pro tips. Always be cautious. Verify the ratings of the person you're trading with. Follow best practices to keep your transactions secure. And there you have it. Using Binance P2P trading is that easy. Happy trading! If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips and tricks.